Joining us now to discuss is CEO of Invest Diva, Kiana Danial. She is also the author of Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies. Kiana, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Cryptocurrency values are surging. How do you explain the boom in cryptocurrency investment?
Look, so there is tangible value in some cryptocurrency projects right now, but because, Elon Musk is just one of the hype and FOMO creators, but right now it looks like the crypto market as a whole, not only Bitcoin, not only Dogecoin, but as a whole, is rising mainly because of the hype and FOMO and the market sentiment. So this is similar to what happened end of 2017 with the Bitcoin bubble kind of surged and then it burst. And it also is similar to the dot-com bubble in early 2000s.
Elon Musk on Twitter writing a little bit of a warning. Cryptocurrency is promising, but please invest with caution. Crypto seems to be volatile. There it is. So is a little caution wise here?
Finally, in my opinion, too little too late. He already created a massive wave. And I'm an Elon Musk fan, actually, to be honest. But when he started doing this, I was kind of irritated because it was very irresponsible to push crypto projects like Dogecoin, that was literally optimized to be a joke. Probably to distract from his own Bitcoin purchases so that he can purchase Bitcoin at a lower price, and then he sold his Bitcoin. So I was a little bit irritated at that. And of course, I'm assuming lawyers are now telling him, hey, like you may actually get sued if Dogecoin's bubble bursts, and so go say something on Twitter.
Is some of this due to our surging debt and more spending on the horizon devaluing the dollar?
Yes. So one of the reasons why I personally invest in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is not inflationary. There's only so many Bitcoins that can ever be mined, only 21 million Bitcoins, whereas, well, Dogecoin and the US dollar are inflationary. You can just print as many as you want, as much as you want. So one of the reasons why I invest in Bitcoin is because of that, and a lot of other investors as well.
I'm here in Washington, D.C. Is it time for regulation? Should Congress get involved?
For Bitcoin and Dogecoin or cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, cryptos.
So they have certainly been involved. There are a lot of talks. There has been a lot of talks since 2016. There are states that are more involved than others. I don't think they can actually stop the cryptocurrency market because this is the new technology. There are regulations. I think they could be more. But here's the thing. It's like a double-edged sword because people are investing in cryptocurrency because they want to have their money sit in a decentralized, not government-based asset. Bitcoin is decentralized. Nobody owns it. You can literally go in and grab your Bitcoin, and the government, no government can actually have ownership on it. So while we do want more regulations because there are also some scams, it's kind of defeats the purpose. So it's a very tricky question, to be honest with you.
Okay, we're nearly out of time, but does all this decentralization, do we fully know the impact of that by basically taking all this money out and putting it in a separate investment venture?
So the impact of that on a personal level, so I'm going to just tell you my personal story. The reason why I think this is impactful is because, okay, I'm from Iran, Jewish. Before the 1979 revolution, my dad's assets, he had a bunch of assets. The government, the new Iranian government, took over all of that.
Right.
If he had his assets in crypto, the government wouldn't have been able to do that. Now, that was a personal aspect, but of course, cryptocurrencies have been having some environmental issues as well because of mining and energy consumption. So it's a very, very vast industry that remains to be evolved and really researched on.
Kiana Danial, thank you so much for your time and your analysis. Great to have you.
Thank you.
Jillian?
Fascinating conversation. Thanks, Mike.